Hot pixels are a common problem you're likely to experience when shooting at high ISO settings and when shooting long exposures as the camera sensor heats up. They typically appear as bright red, white, or even blue specks in the image and are most noticeable in shots made up of darker tones like this one here, which is a 4.5 minute exposure. Hot pixels ultimately aren't a huge problem since they occur in different places each time and to varying degrees. So what are they? They're simply caused by electrical charges that leak into the sensor wells. They're easy to remove, so let's take a quick look at a couple of ways to do this. So the first thing that I'm going to do is just zoom into my image where I know we have some hot pixels. And as I zoom in here, you'll see that we have some red spots, some blue spots, there's even a green one there, and a few white ones. So the first way that you can use to remove hot pixels is to make a copy of your background layer by pressing Ctrl and J or Command and J on a Mac, then going to Filter, Noise, Dust and Scratches, and then you don't really want to increase the radius to more than 1 pixel. If you just watch this hot pixel here, that's reduced with 1 pixel. For all of these hot pixels to be removed in this shot, I have to take the radius up to 3 pixels, which, as you can see, blurs the image. So if you're going to use this method, it only works when you've got really small hot pixels, and on this shot, it's not going to work. So we're going to have to do it using the healing brush. So the first thing that we need to do here is create an empty new layer by clicking on the new layer icon at the bottom of the layers panel, and then just hit J on the keyboard and just make sure that you have the healing brush tool selected and not the spot healing brush tool, because what we want to do is define the sample point manually. We don't want Photoshop doing that for us. So if we just go up into the brush settings, set the hardness to 50%, and the size we can change accordingly using the left and right square bracket key. So we just want to make it slightly larger than any of these hot pixels. Just make sure that aligned is checked and that sample is set to current and below. And then all that we need to do is hold down Alt, left mouse click, and then click over the hot pixel and we can remove it. And we can just go around doing these. This takes a lot longer than the dust and scratches method, but if the dust and scratches method isn't working, as it didn't with this shot, this is the only way that you can remove hot pixels. If you happen to make a mistake or you're unhappy with a sample, so let's just sample there and it looks a bit messy, you can just hit Ctrl and Z or Command and Z on a Mac and then go back 1 space. So there is a brief explanation of what hot pixels are, how they occur, and how to remove them.